Hi, it's Michael Gaffney today at American School of Flower Design. I'm going to show you a 60-second design. How easy can it be? I've been doing this for 30 years. I know all the formulas. We are American School of Flower Design. I have schools all over the country, then in Paris, London, and Rome. I take students who know pretty much nothing and turn them into designers in a very short, efficient time. It's an immersion course into design. My students walk in all nervous. They're not gonna make beautiful things. On the last day, I'm like, oh my God, it's the most beautiful piece I've seen in years. So it works. So today I'm gonna show you a simple, it's called mass design. I'm almost done, so don't blink because this is gonna go quick. I'm gonna start with my hydrangeas. Here's a contemporary vase. So I don't know, what do I do with a contemporary vase? I'm gonna put a round into a square hole. I'm gonna take my hydrangeas and look at how easy. I'm gonna form the igloo, I call it. Just a ball of hydrangeas like this. And the great thing about hydrangeas is they're big, so they make your arrangement go very quick. There's my start. I think I'll cut these. I'll drop them into my container like this. So I'm gonna drop them in there, carefully slide my hand up, tighten them all up like that. This is a design you've seen in every magazine, everywhere. Now I'm just gonna take some spray roses, pink spray roses, and simply work them between the cracks, making sure I'm hitting. In my book, I have 3 books out: Design Star, Flower Power, and a book about Paris. They are available on our website, flowerschool101.com. If you want to learn how to have beautiful flowers around your house, look, it's pretty already. Again, I'm just gonna squeeze them in a little bit, add a few more flowers. This could be for your entryway, it could be for a bridal shower. But the secret is, and everything in Flower Lab has a secret. The secret is I'm using these hydrangeas as almost a pin cushion. See, hear that? Crunch, crunch, crunch. To hold them in position. Now you can play with them because you have like an underwater bird's nest going on. So I can play with them, add. And then I'm going to take foliage. These I call them Japanese maple leaves. There's another name for them, but I call them Japanese maple leaves. I'm going to slide these in right underneath just to give it a little contemporary coloring. How long have I been working on this? About 1.5 minutes. I'll be done in a few more minutes. I think they call them Fatsuma at the local flower market. But I call them Japanese maple. They look like a maple leaf. So I'm just going to add a little bit of coloring around the edge. You got to scoop them right underneath. Shove them in. Don't be afraid. Like that, and a little more over here, and I'm ready to set it up in my entryway. I have guests coming over later tonight. This will greet them. And again, these leaves also prop things up. If you have hydrangeas that are drooping a little, it'll prop it up. I'm going to pull them through. I'm going to add one more. I've been doing flowers for over 30 years. I appear on Hallmark Channel, The Today Show, and various other morning shows. Now look what you can do, see? You can prop it. Tweak it, I call it tweaking. Fix it, prop it. Get rid of anything you don't like. And there's my 90-second flower design for the entryway, front of your table. Flowerschool101.com, join us in class. We have online classes, you can come see me. I will teach you all over the country, making America prettier. So, Flower School 101.